it comes with a couple things. It comes with one receiver that goes onto the camera where you get the audio to the device, and then it has two transmitters where you can separate the audio channels, like channel A and channel B. Then it comes with the wind muffs. It also comes with the charging cable that charge all three of these mics at the same time. It also comes with the cord and lav mic as well, which you can plug into the square mic, or you can plug it directly into the camera and have a wired mic hooked up to you. And then it comes with the cords to connect the receiver to either your camera or your phone. You can use these on your phone if you like make mobile videos, if you make like TikToks or IG Reels or whatever your vibe is, you know what I'm saying? So we're out here for a couple days just chilling. So yeah, these are the mics that we're gonna be using in this video. Probably do some more stuff. It's not gonna be all technical mics, man. It's a vlog. We out here. We chilling right now. We're on Ace's lunch break. Then we gotta finish school, and then we're gonna be out here some more. Real quick though, I'm gonna take this mic out. How does it sound, by the way? I hope it sounds good, because I'm right here by the ocean. I figured come down to the beach with mics and test them because it's very loud with the waves and the wind blowing, and like, how does it sound? Does it sound crispy? I need to know. I hope it does. It's probably sounding fire. Let's actually do a test real quick before we move on in the vlog. I'm gonna take this mic out so you can hear the audio without it. Yo, so how does the audio sound now compared to that? Is that bad audio now? Can you hear me not so good? Does it not sound that good? You hear waves, wind, but well, it's not really windy. I don't know. I'm sure it sounds terrible. But when you plug this back in, now I'm sure it sounds a lot better.